Hi all, it's David here from DP Computing. We just got an unboxing video today of a Microsoft Surface Pro 4. Here's the box. I'll just show you the reverse. There you go. Bottom is nothing. Top's nothing, just some barcodes. And the sides are nothing as well. So this is, as I said, a Microsoft Surface Pro 4. I'm in Australia, so it's Australian edition. Now you've got a little tab on the corner here, a little arrow there, so just grab that, pull that off, and then we should be able to slide this out. And again, here you've got a little tab with an arrow, so just pull that. There we go, and there's the actual unit itself. A little tab again. So tab, there's the unit itself, just covered in clear plastic. So put it to the side. Here we've got the stylus. Just a normal Microsoft stylus there, button on top, button down there. Here we have, looks like just an instruction guide. So Microsoft Surface Pro 4. Just tells you all the bits and pieces. So setting up your Surface Pro 4. See if you can see that a bit more. In there we've got, just says Surface and English Australia, so that's just the, looks like cleaning usage and instructions plus the warranty. So over here we've got another little box which should be the power adapter. So there we have a power adapter. It's just an Australian power cable there. Just a little brick with a USB charging on there as well, which is good. And that's just the normal one to go into the Surface. See if there's anything under here. There's nothing under there. So just put that back on. Put that to one side and get the actual Surface unit itself back. So as I said, that's on some clear plastic, so we can just remove that and slide it out. So there's the unit itself. We've got the on-off button there, your plus and minus for your volume control. Looks like your display port, USB speaker, is it? And then, oh no, that's your power connector, I believe. Then you've got your little stand there, so we can stand it up. And on the back,